is to get you started with Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, and Photoshop. Hopefully you got here via one of my videos. If you didn't, I'll put a link right up here on how to find this page to sign up. This is an affiliate link, so I appreciate if you follow that to sign up. So let's share my screen. So this is the screen that you should land on if you use my affiliate link. And if you land on all, you should click on photo, especially if you're just here for photography. There are 4 options for Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, and Photoshop. Best the best value, in my opinion, is this one here for $9.99. It will give you both Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, and Photoshop. I say both, but Lightroom and Lightroom Classic are essentially the same program with some differences. I use Lightroom Classic and Photoshop for the most part. So follow my series. I'll put a link up here for the very first video in that series. So use my link, whether you found it on this video or one of my other videos teaching you how to use Lightroom. This is Doug Gabbard practicing photography, and I hope you get better every photo you take.